Hello everyone, my name is Haley and I'm here to announce the Grow This Oregon Garden Challenge, which starts today. So the Grow This Oregon Garden Challenge is the new Food Hero campaign at OSU to get everyone outside growing their own favorite fruits, vegetables, and herbs at home safely and hopefully successfully if I can help. All you have to do to participate is follow the links below to our short survey, and once you're done, click yes to receive a packet of seeds in the mail. Anyone can join this Grow This challenge using their own seeds at home. But the first 3,000 Oregonians who sign up through our survey and request the seeds will be mailed a free packet of vegetable, herbs, and fruit seeds. So each envelope will have a variety of different seeds. There will be 4 packets. An example of that might look like some tomato, carrots, melons, and a packet of herbs. So once you've received this envelope, open it up and follow the directions on the card inside to find out how to take care of each of your varieties. Register for the challenge on our website or on the Food Hero Facebook page, where anyone can view our Facebook live garden segments every Tuesday at noon. Questions will be answered by me, the AmeriCorps volunteer member down in Douglas County. You'll find on our website gardening videos to assist you to be a successful at-home gardener, and each week throughout the summer and fall there will be new videos posted that will be relevant to the plants you are growing in the challenge. Grow This challenge information will be available in English and in Spanish on the Food Hero website underneath the gardening tab. Also underneath this tab, again, there will be videos and handouts and also all sorts of different helpful tools for you to garden successfully at home. All the links will be posted below this video, and I hope you join our Grow This Oregon Garden Challenge. And have a great day.